Guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, if you can, please click the subscribe button. There'll be a lot more content coming. Today I'm going to be going over the new modification that I received for my car. It actually is a catted downpipe. I've been talking about it for a while and finally decided to pull the trigger on it. Mainly the biggest reason why I haven't done it so far was because I'm afraid to break those lock nuts. So I'm willing to give it a shot, and hopefully I don't break them while removing the factory downpipe. So I'm going to do a little unboxing for you guys. This is the package here. So I'm going to open that up and then show you what's in the box. So give me 1 second, I'll cut it open and then we will go over what's in there. So this is everything that comes in the packaging. You're getting your downpipe. This is a catted one. You're getting an O2. This is a plug for a cord use only. This is actually a Type R turbo ready downpipe. This actual downpipe will fit the Civic Type R as well. Get a cool license plate frame. Gave you a magnet just in case you drop any parts while doing the job. And some kind of lanyard, I guess, for your keys or whatever, and a thank you note. This is catted, so this is your cat. The welds on this piece are so nice. This is one of the other reasons why I wanted to go with this compared to other brands. Like, it's just a nice quality looking piece. You're not going to really see it once it's installed, but to me, I'm a guy that looks at details, and this thing is just a really nice looking piece. Those are your brackets for the factory heat shields, so you still retain those. There's your flange for the top. Comes with a defouler. You don't have to buy it separately, it comes with it to space out the O2 sensor, just in case there's a possibility of throwing a code, but it does have a cat, so it should be good to go. And then you get some more hardware with the gasket at the bottom. Cool little badge on it, or plaque rather. So this is everything that comes with the downpipe. Hopefully I will be installing this on Sunday. Just waiting for a tool to come in for the O2 sensor. Once we get that tool in, we're ready to rock. Get this thing put in. I'm pretty excited. It's going to be roughly, from their claims, 23 horsepower and about 20 foot-pounds of torque. I'm assuming that's for the catless version. So even if I get a couple less horsepower, it's not going to make or break anything. It's not something you're going to feel. And more importantly, you won't get any of the smell. Like, I don't want a situation where I'm driving the car and then I get out of it and I smell like fumes. I'm not a fan of that. That's not something I want, and not something I could deal with. So that's why I decided to go catted, and I will always go catted. It's more eco-friendly. Call me a tree hugger. Not really, but you know what I mean. I definitely don't like the smell more than anything, and the performance gain really isn't worth having to deal with that. So with that said, if you guys can, like, comment, subscribe. We're going to get this thing in on Sunday. Should be fun. Hopefully not too many bloody knuckles doing it. And I'm going to be doing some videos with cold starts, before and afters, revs, before and afters. I'm not anticipating too much of a sound difference, because a lot of videos I've seen, these cars are generally pretty quiet unless you have a catback on them or something like that. But I don't want the car to be too loud, but I do want a little bit more of a throatier sound, so hopefully this'll do that for me. And more importantly, I'll get the performance out of it, because that's why I'm putting it on there. Performance parts should make performance. So there we have it. This is everything you will be getting, everything I have, and it's going to be going in. Should be a lot of fun, and we'll do some testing on it after it's in. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.